Hey guys, this is Ariana. Today we're gonna play Bad Parenting. Yup, we're playing Bad Parenting. It's just like I wonder like it kicks you out. So just like it. So right now we're gonna get started. Okay, find a new game. Okay, let's get started. Bad Parenting. Story 1. Mr. Redface. I wonder if they have Bad Parenting too. Whoa. Cool. Mom, you home late again? Come on, I was busy with work. Can you have some staple with me? Okay. Well, I don't know what she's gonna say, but that's fine. But today's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday too. Oh, of course I know that. There was a gift. She forgot the gifts. Have you ever heard Mr. Redface? He doesn't know. On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they're asleep. Really? Of course. If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. Okay. So he understands to Mom. And so first one, so she forgot my birthday. She's making a plan for Mr. Redface. She said on the good children, Mr. Redface always secretly leaves gifts. It's a girl, or boy? Who's that? Who's be like a nice kid or Mom did not say a bad kid. Well, you'll see who's the bad guy. Something else. You're fooling the kid again. How many times you come home this late? I was working and my shift ended late. Why do you just look like an alien? Why does his eyes look at me like that? You just look like you still think I'm an alien, don't you? No. Get back to your room. Don't stand here and interrupt our grown-up conversation. Okay, I don't know if Dad's I don't know if Dad's look like. He just look like an alien, but he's a little nice, but he's not a little nice. He's being mean. He kept saying curse words. Okay, I'll go to my bed. I already know where his bed is. Sleep time. There's gonna be an ad coming up, so I have to pause the video. Bro, he kept opening his eyes. Why does he keep opening his eyes? Stop opening your eyes to go to sleep. Yep, he's scared of them. Do you hear him? Is it flip side? Is it Mr. Redface? Am I correct? Is it Mr. Redface? No, I'm good. Nope. I don't need no gifts. I have 3 gifts, okay? Okay, that's all. I got a baby doll, a Barbie car, and that's all. I mean something no. If you go in the closet, I'm gonna beat you. Please, don't go in the closet. I got 3. I got 4. 3. Okay, I'll pause the video. Oh, never mind. I don't have that. That's good. Is that the gift for Mr. Redface? No way! Oh, look at his neck. Hi, I'm Ron. Wait, you can talk? Of course, because I was created by magic. You even had the same name as appeared as me. That's right, my master made just for you. That's nice, but your neck seems a bit loose. It's okay. Sometimes my master makes mistakes. This is. It's okay. Sometimes my master makes mistakes. It's just a small flu compared to the dolls. What's important for now on? I'll be your best friend. That sounds wonderful. Do you want to play something with me? My master stole my toys in the closet. Can you get them for me? Okay. I'll get it. It was Mr. Red. Wait. Pause this a sec. When he goes to bed, Mr. Redface walks slowly, gives them a present, and go to the closet. Remember, I just said that don't go to the closet. And guess what? He just locked the closet. So in the doll say you need to get some toys in there. That's very confusing. Yeah, make it a video. Can you try it again for me? Okay. It's not working. I tried my best. I can't open. Do something else. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Like that. Okay, that's crazy. You're a dog. Can you even eat? No, you don't want either be eating outfit. Anything you eat. I mean, my master likes all your scenes and emotions to me, so I can easily understand you. Wow, that's amazing. Okay. I like to watch Creek Cat. Like he loves to play bad parody. But he got a little scared of Mr. Redface. Okay. What's this note? If you leave this at 1 p.m., aren't you asleep ahead? I prepare your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating lately. I noticed you're getting lazy about eating. You know I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worried. One more thing, don't forget to take your medicine after eating. At least I need a medicine. That's fine with me. I can't place. Why I can't place? Something wrong with me? I can't place it. Oh. Hold on. I think I forgot to put it in the microwave. Let's go. Is that your favorite dish? Do you want me to see you perform some magic? Yes, please. Alright, I'll make this play food that never runs out. Every time you finish eating, the dish will be restored to the original state. I'll just click in the button. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. What else can you do? Nothing. Oh. That's dead. Is it? Oh god, that's unhealthy. No. I'm getting so frustrated. Please don't pick up. The dog can't drink? He can't. He's a doll anyway. He's a doll. I forgot to turn the volume down. I didn't mean to. What just happened? I don't know. You guess. Oh no, the model. My dad's gonna whip my. skip that. I hope he's still asleep. Your dad? Don't worry, my master has taken your dad away. That was quick, like, it was like 10 seconds ago. Wait, what did you say? Wait. He can't vanish? Wait a minute, hold on a minute. First one, I put it down to the seat. And then he vanished and go to mom's dad's room. That's crazy. Where's my dad? As I said, my master has taken your dad away. Why? Because your dad's a bad person. He offers to yell. He offers to hits and yells at you. Parents like that are taken away by master to protect children like you. But this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve that. He's a bad person. Yeah, the doll's right. Ron's right. No, it's not. Please let me dad go. I'm begging you. Anyways, I was just like busy. So I forget. It's a quite a long day. Where's your dad? Should be healed. Show me the noise. Yeah, we go.
You got the things for your baby?
Yeah. It's my birthday.
I know, right?
Yeah, and I got a cute hello.
Oh my god. I'll be back. I'm using the bathroom.
Okay. Just your colors are your closet. The closet is stuck, okay? Why are you asking me? The closet's stuck. Try to open the door, it doesn't work. You still can't open it? I guess you should use the mom-dad's closet. Can't give it hits. I'm good at playing bad parenting. Give it a try. Okay. It's empty. Yeah, but don't forget something. Don't forget. Oh, shut. Stop making that. Stop making that noise. Okay, I'm right here, but I can't move. That's fine. 3, 2, 1. Anyone here to I'm taking my stuff in here. I'm getting a little scared. Sounds like difficult. Oh no! No! If I see that one more time, I'm not playing with that. If I see that one more time, I'm not playing that anymore. I'm scared. Yeah? Is mommy? Wait, hold on. Sorry, I'm late. I'm just like picking up the clothes and let's go in. Here we go. That's what I'm playing? Seriously, I'm just serious. Like, I took forever. Look at it. Look at it. What's up? I'm looking for my dad. Describe. My dad name's Bruce. What? Wait a minute. Okay, she's looking. There's many Bruce here. Any more? Bro, there's any more Diaz? No, there's no more. There's too much. Is it Bruce good Bruce or bad Bruce? We're just sitting here already? Okay. Well, I don't know why they sit here already. Let's go in. There's no added bad parenting. That's good. Please stop punishing me. I sound like when he'll look like he's old. It's me, Dad. Please stop punishing me. What he had done to you? Come on, let's go home or Mr. Red will take us. I mean, both of us. Please stop punishing me. He gets too like nervous. I don't know. Spell. What the heck is spell mean? The heck is spell mean? Oh, I don't know what the heck is spell mean. Is she? Why is she twisting her head? Oh my gosh, she's twisting her head. She just twists her head. Say hello to my Hello Kitty. It's my new. It's a toy. It's not big. It's like a little. What's wrong with you? Why are you hiding in the closet? I'm so craft. Yeah. Mr. Redface has taken Dad. No, he's dead. Oh. That's a good thing, then. I'm not joking. It's a long story. Let me explain. How's your doll Ron doing today? Is it alright? The doll? Mom, how did you know about it? Of course I know since you had taken your medicine today. Then is it the first time you had such a patient? It's a long story. Don't you remember in the previous times? No? I don't know what's wrong with you. Just go to bed. It's midnight already. Okay. What the heck? Whoa! What the? How did I do that? Oh, can you stay with me? Stay with me! Oh, he's dead. He's dead. I got so scared. What just happened, son? Are you alright? Oh, he doesn't feel good at all. He doesn't feel good at all. Hello, this kitty, Hello Kitty, got so scared too. I'm so sorry, Hello Kitty. You got so scared. She's not actually cute either. I'll show you a picture of when I'm done. When I'm done this. Yeah, Mom. It's Mr. Ref. It's alright. Tomorrow I will take off. Say, promise me, Mom. I promise. Now go back to sleep. Yes, Mom. Now go back to sleep. Sleep time. Go to sleep. Guess what? She didn't promise. She broke the promise. She broke the promise. Nope. You've broken the promise again. You broke the promise again. This is all your fault. How could you? What the? Wait, is he okay? Is that good? Oh, is he scared? No, we got beaten by Master. I'm right. My Master beat me out of here. He wasn't happy. Oh, your Master is good, but first of all, your Master always take care of you, and then the Master beat you for yesterday? Seriously, that's crazy. By the way, have you seen my woman anywhere? My Master has taken her away. How could you? It just happened. I'm sorry I could have stopped him. You should have run away because he come back and take you too. No, the Master's gonna take you too. Oh my, he's gonna take Ron. Not the doll, him. I saw you scratching his butt. Oh, no, never mind. He lost it just like, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw it at him very quick. If Mr. Redface come, he's gonna take me away. That's all. They're hiding. Wait for me. I got so scared. Because Mr. Redface. Well, he doesn't seem to care about the doll. What the heck? Oh. Okay, that scared me. Yep. Time to go back. Thank you. No, not this again. What happened to you? The Master has beaten the magic. He cast me on the flooding. Aren't you disappearing? Don't worry. This is what I wanted. You should get outside and see your parents. Oh my God, I'm dead. He did. Thank you for killing the doll. You can now. I can go just sit down or something. Well, never mind. I see my parents. That's good. That's good. Dad, Mom, y'all free now. Okay, that's good. Why would Dad slap Mom? You're having an affair, have you? I told you I was busy with work. She broke the promise with me. Yesterday, she promised she was gonna stay and take care of you, and now she just left. Liar. Oh, I never heard that. You just slapped Mom. You're negative affair after another man. Aren't you ashamed? And what about you? Did you think you're better than me? You're just at home leeching on me all year round. What kind of father are you? No matter what I do, it's all my business. I'm still bringing my money and my support my child. Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. If you said that, then is she cheating on him? Ooh. She's cheating on him. One of them is gonna move out of this house. If you're still here tomorrow, I'll take my set and leave. You'll stay right here. Oh my god, that is so mean. I forgot to tell him, like, he is, something like, you know, and why are you doing like this? Like, doing this, that's good. This is what I'm doing. That's unhealthy. Please don't drink that. That's unhealthy. Ouch. It's Mr. Redface. It's Mr. Redface. It's Mr. Redface. I mean, Mr. Redface. I won't let this happen. Oh my god. He just like vanished. He vanished. Like, what's wrong with him? He just vanished. What the heck? It's light out here. What the heck? No! No! Why did Mr. Redface always do this? That's not true. That's not true, right, Hello Kitty? Right? Oh god, that's not true. You know you are so cute, Hello Kitty. You're so cute. Like, it's my birthday. No. This can't be not true. I'm very sorry, Ron. Wait. Closet of snake is open. Let me see. It's open now. He did lock the door, so that's good. Is he? Wait a second. That's him? Is he a ghost? Imagine when he's dead. I bet he killed by Mr. Redface. He's a ghost now, so he like talk. He can talk to the doll. That's how he can talk to the doll when he's a ghost, like he's dead. And me, I have to find you, lead you back to really. I tried many times, to help you accept this truth as easily as possible. And every time I fell, guess what happened? Tick tock boom! Tick tock boom! All the memories disappeared. You once again wake up as the starting point. Witches denied your dad murdered you. How long will I be dead? 14 days. He's gonna be dead in 14 days? That's crazy. It can't be. Oh no, he's gonna be dead in 14 days. But at least in tomorrow, he's gonna be dead in 30 days. That's good. As your dad is hiding in a cheap room. I already know where he. Oh no. Oh, is he actually cold? Oh no, it's me. Ew, why am I sounding like that? Come home with me, Dad. I'm trying to kidnap you. No! I don't want to see that face like that. I don't want to see that face. Please don't. No way! He got screamed! Well, my mom, if she still sees me, doesn't she? That's right. Because she's only home late at night. But if it's daytime. Exactly. Wait, Mom sleeps here? Son? Oh no. No. Look at it in the closet. I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry. He did. You're very sad, Hello Kitty? At least he cannot see him because I'm on a speaker. Oh, that is so sad. At the end, this is good, like a sad story about like he died. Do you take any clues about your husband hiding place? No. It's in the closet. How do you not know? Drop something, man. What is that? It's a lot of card. But I'm not sure it's mine. It's Dad's. How do you even not know? That is not a card. Look at her face. I don't understand. Sad story. He died for 200 years. I said he died. Killer father arrested. Thank you. Dear Ron, I'm sorry you didn't take your medicine and you killed my father. You died for 2,000. You died for 40 days ago. I'm sorry. Rip Ron. Okay, he's a ghost now. That's good. Come here. Come here. Hello. Oh, that's a girl. Her name is Emily now. His name is John, and his name is, let me guess, James. And he's wrong. Hello. Everyone say hello to him. That's good. This is like a sad story. That is so good. It's like it sounds like a Mickey Mouse. The end.